He gonna nibble on it.
You're just gonna baby it?
Mm-hmm.
Here, baby it then. Yeah, that's good. This is Cletus. Yeah. Okay. Where's Ice's one? Here you go, Ice.
Ice won't eat water.
It's watermelon. You gave him the good stuff. Here.
I told you he don't want nothing to do with that watermelon.
He's gonna have something to do with it.
What does he eat then?
He's strange.
This is Ice. And then we have Dottie. She ate her watermelon. She's eating it right now. Dottie. She's a pretty girl. Look at our horsies. These are my horsies too. Yeah. Hi, baby. You're mama, baby. Watch, guys. Look how close I can get to this horse. Watch. Ice, come here. They got the green stuff right now, so they are not even caring right now. Hello. 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 He's not even wanting to help me out with this video. Fine then. I actually have rode her. I've actually ridden her in the little pen over there. Went around maybe I think 3 or 4 times. She's a good girl. Look at her eating them watermelon. What'd you just throw at him?
The watermelon, it scared him.
You stop doing that. How do you feel about being on YouTube and in videos? You okay with it? Viewer discretion is advised. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's see if she'll eat the cantaloupe. She's like, what's that? She's like, oh. She said this is mine. Yes. Yeah, she flipped it over. They've already had their grain, and then we also give them hay, and the watermelon and stuff like that we give them as extra treats here and there when we can. But you can tell these horses do not miss a freaking meal, so they are freaking healthy.
You're the heart.
I know, she's eating everything.
Don't touch me.
I can't touch the fence because the fence is electric and it's on.
I don't want to get too close because she knows it's on.
Oh, I just touched it and nothing happened though.
Because it runs through a pulse, that's poly rope. So the rope itself is it's got little wire strands through it. You got hit by this one.
Yeah, I messed around and found out, guys, and I touched this one the other day. Yeah. Because this goofball didn't tell me or mention that he turned the fence back on. We have chickens, and we got a bunny rabbit, and we have a pig. We have 2 dogs and a cat, and this is our farm. So, yeah. Honey, I love you. Bye, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.